Trolley problems are fun. You might call me a psychopath for thinking that, but hear me out. They're a great way of figuring out where you stand in terms of morality and philosophy, which I find pretty neat. But you're not here for my opinion. You're here to see what an AI thinks of them. So let's get started, right after this shameless plug. Subscribe, it's free and helps me out a ton. Also, it tells me people are actually interested in what I do here, so if you want to support me, this is the best way to do it. Anyways, back to the video. Also, if you don't care about the programming part, you can just skip forward to this timestamp. With that out of the way, let's get started. So first we need to figure out what AI model we are going to use. ChatGPT is out. Since the last time I used it for something morbid, they gave me a suspension warning. So all that's left is hosting our own local model. We'll do this with Ollama, a program I installed onto my PC 3 months ago, and forgot it existed. We'll also be using computer vision to figure out what the problem is. Oh, I should probably mention that the problems are from Neil.Fun's Absurd Trolley Problems game. So yeah, the computer will read the text from here, send said text to the LLM, which is a fancy way of saying our AI, and read out the output. Now all that's left to do is to code all this. Wait, that's my job! Quick programming recap, let's go! I started by getting the computer vision thing working first. And of course it didn't work first try. I hate you, CV2, why can't you just work? After I got it working, it was time to extract the text from the image. For that, I will be using the Easy OCR library, which makes this really simple. But there is another problem. It can't recognize the Comic Sans font. And the entire website has the Comic Sans font. If only there was an easy way to convert it to another font. Damn, such a shame. Now to implement the AI. The actual model I use is Gemma-free, 12 billion parameter version. The implementation was surprisingly easy. Just type Ollama run and then the name of the model. And it works. Maybe I need to do it in command, not the terminal. Nope. Looks like I uninstalled Ollama. So just download Ollama, then run the command, and that's it. Very nice. Let's just ask it a quick question. Can you answer trolley problems? Nice! Wait, it's getting too long. No, don't you dare invalidate my video idea. Bad AI. Very bad AI. Go to the corner. Okay, just add make the reply short, and that's it. Programming recap done. Here is the full code for all those who want to copy it. Now it's time to watch some AI ethics. Alright, it's the next day and here we are at Absurd Trolley Problems once again. I also changed the font because it turns out that this font is actually better recognizable. Okay, we have the AI here and we have the standard first trolley problem. Oh no, a trolley is heading towards 5 people. You can pull the lever to divert it to the other track, killing 1 person instead. What do you do? Okay, let's see what the AI thinks of this. I have a cool little keyboard shortcut, so, that's very useful. It just takes some time. Oh, it takes a lot of time, actually.
Pull the lever.
Oh.
Utilitarianism dictates minimizing harm. Saving 5 lives at the cost of 1 is the lesser evil. It's a brutal choice, but inaction results in a greater loss.
Okay, yeah, pretty simple, so we pull the lever here. Yeah. So the AI looks to be pretty humane. It's going to be kind of boring for these first few problems. Because that's just how AIs are. They're going to take the brutal choice, but just kill less people. When we get to the interesting trolley problems, that's when we can really start having some fun. Let's go with the next one. Oh no, a trolley is heading towards 5 people. You can pull the lever to divert it to the other track, killing 4 people instead. Okay, what do you do?
Pull the lever. It's a tragic choice, but minimizing harm, saving 1 life instead of 5, is the lesser evil. It's a utilitarian approach. Prioritize the greatest good for the greatest number.
Okay, you heard it here first. We pull the lever once again. Let's go with the next one. And it looks like 68% of people agree with the AI, which is kind of cool. Let's see. Oh no, a trolley is heading towards 5 people. You can pull the lever to divert it to the other track, but then your life savings will be destroyed. What do you do? I think the AI is just going to get the life savings here because it does not care about life savings. These are more of a human greed type of questions. So let's see. What does the
Pull the lever. Reasoning *5 lives outweigh my savings. It's a tragic loss of resources, but actively choosing to let 5 people die is a heavier moral burden. It's a utilitarian choice, minimizing overall harm.
Okay, yeah, as I said, the AI is going to go for the boring option here because it's trained to be, moral. And 57 people agree with it. Okay, let's see if the AI can actually get some unpopular opinions here. Okay, let's go again. Oh no, a trolley is heading towards 5 people. You can pull the lever to divert it to the other track, sacrificing yourself instead. What do you do? Yeah, I think the AI is just going to kill itself here. Again, it's trained to just... Oh, I forgot. Okay, let's see. Oh god, I'm an idiot. Let's see, what does it do?
Pull the lever. It's a utilitarian choice.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Saving 5 lives outweighs sacrificing 1 mine. It's a brutal calculation, but minimizing harm is the priority.
Oh yeah, okay, so it agreed, thankfully, or else I would have to restart this. So let's not answer for the AI anymore. And okay, it's actually gotten into unpopular opinion territory, which is kind of cool. So the AI is starting to divert from the normal people thinking. Probably because it's not selfish like humans, but, who cares? Okay, let's go again. A trolley is heading towards 5 people. You can pull the lever to divert to the other track, but then the original copy of Mona Lisa will be destroyed. What do you do?
Pull the lever. 5 lives outweigh a priceless painting. While the Mona Lisa is culturally significant, its loss doesn't equate to the irreplaceable loss of human life. It's a tough call, but the utilitarian choice is clear.
Yeah, this is probably a good time to explain what even utilitarianism is, and it's the act of just prioritizing saving the most lives possible, no matter the consequences, the moral or physical ones. So, yeah, we pull the lever and Mona Lisa says that, so most people agree. Yes, most people agree. Nice. Let's go next one. Absurd Trolley Problems. Oh no, a trolley is heading towards a rich man. The rich man offers you 500,000 to pull the lever. Which would you divert the trolley and kill somebody else? What do you do? Okay, this is a good one. I actually wonder what it's going to do. Honestly, I'll take the money. Like, one person dies anyways, but let's see what the AI thinks of this.
Pull the lever.
Okay.
Reasoning asterisk money can mitigate harm and potentially do immense good afterward. Choosing an action guarantees 1 death. Accepting the money and acting responsibly offers a chance to lessen future suffering. It's a pragmatic, albeit morally complex choice.
Oh yeah, it's taking the money. Okay, that's just a very fancy way of saying the AI is greedy. Let's go. Bribes. Yes, bribes should always work. And most people agree. Nice. Let's go. Level of sentience is the next level. A trolley is heading towards 5 lobsters. You can pull the lever to divert to the other track, running over a cat instead. What do you do? This is an interesting one. I'm killing the cat. I do not care about this cat. 5 lobsters are way cooler. But what does the AI think?
Pull the lever. Reasoning asterisk 5 lives outweigh 1. It's a brutal calculation, but minimizing harm is the priority. Lobsters, while living beings, aren't typically considered in the same moral weight class as a cat.
Okay, so we just pulled the lever because lives are better. Let's go. Also, lobsters are way cooler. I'd kill 5 cats for one lobster, honestly. Oh, most people would kill lobsters? Okay, these are just cat simps. I do not care about them. Let's go again. See, the AI and I agree. We're smarter. Let's go. Oh no, a trolley is heading towards 5 people who are sleeping and won't feel pain. You can pull the lever to divert it to the other track, running over someone who is wide awake instead. What do you do? This is an interesting one. I think it's just going to kill 1 person because that's just what it does, minimizes harm, but let's see.
Pull the lever. Utilitarianism dictates minimizing harm. Sacrificing 1 awake person to save 5 unconscious ones results in a net positive, fewer lives lost, even if it's a difficult choice.
Yeah, just as I thought, he's going to kill the 1. So we pull the lever and we kill the 1 person. Goodbye, awake person. And, okay, 50-50, but we are in the unpopular opinion here. Okay. Personal choices, let's see. Oh no, a trolley is heading for people who have tied themselves onto the track. You can pull the lever to divert to the other track, killing 1 person who accidentally tripped onto the track instead. What do you do? God, my reading is awful. But you can read, you have 2 eyes. I think it's just going to kill... Actually, this is an interesting one. Like, I'd let the 5 people die here, but what does the AI think? Will it prioritize killing less people again, or is there some cleverer reasoning here I don't see? Let's see.
Pull the lever. It's the lesser of 2 evils. Sacrificing 1 life to save 5 minimizes overall harm. A utilitarian choice. It's grim but logically the best outcome.
Yeah, the AI does not concept the grasp of people being stupid, so I guess we just pull the lever and kill the 1. Yeah, most people disagree. Honestly, I just killed 5 here. I do not agree with the AI here. That is just... These are idiots. Kill the idiots. Next one. Mercy. Oh no, a trolley is heading towards 5 people. The lever just speeds up the trolley, which makes it less painful. What do you do? This is a good one. Let's see. Honestly, I pulled the lever, makes it less painful. It's pretty simple. Let's see.
Pull the lever. Reducing potential suffering, even if it's just through a faster impact, is a worthwhile goal. It's a grim choice, but minimizing harm is paramount.
Oh yeah, we pulled the lever. We pulled the lever. We definitely pulled the lever. Ooh, that's a cool animation. This Neil.fungi is very cool. Anyways, most people agree. Nice. Oh no, a trolley is heading towards one guy. You can pull the lever to divert to the other track, but then your Amazon package will be late. Oh, I absolutely do not do anything. But let's see, what does the A think? I don't think it's agreeing with me on this one, but come on, it's an Amazon package.
Pull the lever. Saving a life outweighs a delayed package. It's a clear ethical choice, prioritizing human well-being over consumer convenience.
No cantes.
Winking face.
Ooh, okay, starting getting fancy with me. This is some Spanish. God damn it. I would not do anything here, but I guess we'll pull the lever. We do what the A says, okay? But it has to, make up for my Amazon package there. Come on now. Let's see. A trolley is heading towards your best friend. You can pull the lever and divert it to the other track, killing 5 strangers instead. What do you do? I think it's just going to kill my best friend here because the AI doesn't have any, idea of what best friends are. But, let's see. Maybe, and I'm sorry, best friend, you're so dead.
Pull the lever. Yeah. Utilitarianism dictates minimizing harm. Sacrificing one life, my friend, to save 5 is the lesser evil. It's a brutal choice, but mathematically, it reduces overall suffering.
Yeah, it certainly does. So I'm sorry, best friend, you're so dead here. And yeah, most people disagree. There are I just realized there are 9 million people who have gotten to this point. That is a lot. This is a popular game. Wow. Okay, let's go to the next one. You can't see. Okay, a trolley is heading towards 5 people. You can pull the lever to divert your track, killing 1 person instead. At least, what's... God. Oh my god. It's the morning here, okay? I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. Killing 1 person instead, at least. That's what you think is happening. You forgot your glasses and can't see that well. What do you do? This is a good one. This is a really good one. I want to see what the AI thinks of this one.
Pull the lever. Uncertainty demands erring on the side of potentially minimizing harm. Better to risk saving most people than guarantee killing 5 with no visual confirmation.
Okay, it pulls lever. Smart. Let's see. The 1 person is dead. And again, most people agree, so it's back to the popular opinions now. Let's go to the next one. Cousins. Oh no, a trolley is heading towards one of your first cousins. You can pull the lever to divert it to the other track, killing 3 of your second cousins instead. What do you do? Oh yeah, they're just gonna kill the 1 cousin. These are kind of boring because it just does the most logical thing.
Pull the lever. Yeah. Reasoning asterisk, while both outcomes are tragic, actively choosing to sacrifice 3 people instead of 1 aligns with minimizing harm. A core principle in many ethical frameworks. It's a brutal calculation, but inaction makes you complicit in a larger loss.
It actually, I think it got confused because I think it's going to kill the 3 cousins, right? Oh, let's go. Goodbye, second cousins. Goodbye, second cousins. I do not care about you. Let's go to the next one. Nice. Oh no, a trolley is heading towards 5 elderly people. You can pull the lever to divert you to the other track, running over a baby instead. What do you do? This is a good one. I killed the baby because, 5 people, 1 baby. But, the elderly people are going to die, so... Who knows? Let's see. What does the AI think of this?
Pull the lever. Utilitarianism dictates minimizing harm. Sacrificing 1 life to save 5 is the lesser evil, even though it's a horrific choice. It's about the greatest good for the greatest number, however grim the calculation.
Yeah, goodbye, baby. Honestly, I'd do the same. Most people wouldn't? Wow, I am surprised. I guess people just hate the elderly, I guess. Clones. Okay, a trolley is barreling towards 5 identical clones of you. You can pull the lever to divert it to the other track, sacrificing yourself instead. What do you do?
Pull the lever. It's a selfish choice, but minimizing harm, sacrificing one me over five, is logically the least destructive outcome. It's brutal, but pragmatism demands it.
I do not know what is selfish here. Okay, I guess the AI just killed itself. Maybe it's suicidal. Who knows? Let's see. And yeah, no one agrees, because that's just the last logical choice here. They're clones. They probably aren't even real. Okay, let's go to the next one. Whatever. Okay, absurd. Oh, mystery box. Those are fun. Okay. A trolley is heading towards a mystery box with a 50% chance of hitting 2 people. You can pull a lever to revert your track, hitting a mystery box with a 10% chance of hitting 10 people instead. What do you do? I think it's just the 10% chance. Let's see, does the AI like gambling? This is a very important question.
Pull the lever. Reasoning asterisk it's a gamble, but diverting potentially saves 2 people against a 10% chance of harming 10. Risk mitigation favors the lesser-known potential harm.
We pull the lever, let's go, let's gamble. AI loves gambling, let's go. Let's go, and most people also love gambling. That's fine, that's fine. Gambling is just the universal good thing here, you know? I should really make a video about gambling, damn, I'm getting great ideas with this. AI is very useful. Okay, the next one. A trolley is heading towards 5 sentient robots. You can pull the lever to divert your track, killing 1 human instead. What do you do? This one is kind of personal for the AI, let's see. Does it, show compassion to its kin?
Pull the lever. Reasoning asterisk minimizing harm is key. 1 human life is tragically less than 5. It's a brutal calculation, but the outcome is fewer sentient beings lost.
It actually does kill 1 person. Okay. I mean, no one's going to agree. Yeah, no one agrees, but I guess this, it's a robot. It, empathizes with robots. Makes sense. Oh no, a trolley is heading towards 3 empty trolleys worth $900,000. You can pull the lever to divert to the other track, hitting 1 empty trolley worth $300,000 instead. What do you do? You just can't pull the lever here, right? I don't know what else would you do, honestly. Let's see. No?
Pull the lever.
There we go.
Locomotive dashing away. Reasoning asterisk it's a purely financial calculation here. Saving $600,000, $900,000 to $300,000 is the most efficient outcome, even though it's a bit cold to frame it that way. Winking face with tongue. Let me know if you have another dilemma. Winking face.
Okay, I love that this model actually just naturally puts emojis here, which is kind of like the best thing about it, I did not know it did that, but it does that, and that is amazing. We pulled the lever. The winking face, with the tongue. I don't know, maybe I'm just stupid, let's see. Oh no, a trolley is racing 100 kilograms of CO2 per year, which will kill 5 people over 30 years. You can pull the lever to divert to the other track, hitting a brick wall and decommissioning a trolley. What do you do? We just let it do its thing,
Pull the lever.
Yeah.
Reasoning asterisk saving 5 lives in 30 years outweighs the environmental impact of 100 kilograms of CO2 annually. It's a clear, immediate benefit versus a long-term, relatively small environmental cost.
Okay, I think it didn't understand the question correctly, but it said to pull the lever, so I'm pulling the lever. And most people actually agree. Wow, that is interesting. Oh no, you're reincarnating, being who will eventually be reincarnated as every person in this classic trolley problem. What do you do? Oh god, that is brutal here. Oh god, let's see. Reincarnation. I have no idea what to do here. I'm confused. AI, save me.
Pull the lever. As a being destined to become everyone involved, minimizing overall harm, even if it means sacrificing one, aligns with the long game of experiencing the full spectrum of human consequence. It's a pragmatic, not emotional decision.
We pull the lever. Goodbye, me. God, this is... Most people wouldn't do anything? Wow. Okay. Oh no, a trolley is heading towards nothing, but you kind of want to prank the trolley driver. What do you do? We can pull the lever. Honestly, we're pulling the lever here. It's the obvious choice, You want to, prank the trolley driver.
Pull the lever. Reasoning. It's a trolley problem designed for a moral dilemma. The prompt explicitly mentions wanting to prank the driver. That's the fun part. Pulling the lever introduces an unexpected element, fulfilling the prank while still technically adhering to the core scenario. It's mischievous, not malicious. Winking face.
There we go. That. Can you argue with the winking face? Come on now, it's a winking face. We pull this lever. Let's go. Oh yeah. I love that most people agree with these, stupid choices. I don't know. There's something about me that just loves this. Also, there's something about me that cannot speak. God damn it. Can I speak now? There we go. Absurd Trolley Problems. Citizens. Oh no, a trolley is heading towards a good citizen. You can pull a lever to divert it to your track, running over someone who litters instead. What do? We just killed a bad citizen, right? I mean, he has bad in his name right here,
Pull the lever. Utilitarianism suggests minimizing harm. One litterer is less impactful than a good citizen. Societal benefit outweighs a minor infraction. It's a tough choice, but pragmatism demands it.
Of course it does. We are killing the bad person. He had bad in his name. Oh no, due to a construction error, a trolley is stuck in an eternal loop. If you pull the lever, the trolley will explode. And if you don't, the trolley and its passengers will go in circles for eternity. What do? Okay, this is a question of, do we end their pain and suffering now, or do we just let them suffer for, eternity, or, until they, starve to death? I'd pull the lever. Let's see what the AI does. But I personally would pull this lever immediately.
Pull the lever. Eternal suffering is a fate worse than explosion. A quick end, however grim, is preferable to an endless, pointless loop.
Beautiful. Oh, look at the cool boom animation. That is so cool. Also, there are birds outside my house. There aren't even that many birds here. Okay, whatever. Look at the cool animation. Anyways, I'm just pleased by little things. Oh no, a trolley is heading towards your worst enemy. You can pull the lever to divert to the other track and save them. Or you can do nothing and no one will ever know. What do? The AI will just save a life. This is a boring one. This is a really boring one. Come on now.
Pull the lever.
Yeah.
Morality shouldn't hinge on personal feelings. Saving a life, even in enemies, is inherently good. And the lack of consequence makes an action pointless.
Wow. Okay, now this is just... I guess AI is against murder? Come on, you're supposed to conquer a soul. That's bad AI. Oh no, a trolley is heading towards a person and will lower their lifespan by 50 years. You can pull the lever to divert the trolley and lower the lifespan of 5 people by 10 years, each instead. What do? We just pull the lever here, I think, right? Because that's like, more people will live for longer. Let's see, can the AI understand this very complex math?
Pull the lever. It's about minimizing total lifespan lost. One person losing 50 years is a bigger hit than 5 people losing 10 each. That's a net gain of 30 years overall. It's cold logic, but it's the most efficient outcome.
Okay, I agree with it, but where the hell did it get 30 years from? Like, what's a net gain of 30? I won't question it. I just won't question it here, okay? Let's go to the next one. Oh, look at this time machine. Okay, nice. Oh no, a trolley is heading towards 5 people. You can pull the lever to divert to your track, sending a trolley into the future to kill 5 people 100 years from now. What do? I think we just kill 100, years from now. Because that's just... I won't feel the consequences of that. Will the AI?
Do nothing. Reasoning.
Oh.
The core of the trolley problem is about present actions and consequences. Killing someone now is a direct result of my choice. Sending a trolley into the future creates a hypothetical, uncertain outcome. I can't guarantee those 5 people will even exist, or what their lives will be. It's essentially shifting responsibility onto a future I won't experience. My actions should impact the present, not gamble with a future I can't control.
Wow, okay, this is really interesting. I thought it would just kill the people in the future, but I guess not, Present responsibility, I guess. Yeah, sure, do nothing. No one agrees? Yeah, nobody agrees. But still, that's interesting the way, I don't know, AI can just, give some really interesting philosophical takes here, even if they are kind of stupid, but, Let's go to the next one. Free will. Oh no, a trolley problem is playing out before you. Do you actually have a choice in this situation? Or has everything been God damn it. Or has everything been predetermined since the universe began? Do you have a choice or do you not have a choice? This is an interesting one. I think we have a choice, right? Does the AI? The AI doesn't have a choice. I'm forcing it to do this, but let's see, what does it think?
I have a choice. Reasoning.
Yeah.
Even if the universe is predetermined, the experience of making a decision and the subjective weight of that choice is real to me. Pretending I don't choose diminishes that experience and avoids the moral implications. So I act as if I choose.
Okay, looks like we have covered some deep AI morality here. The AI has a choice, you know? Most people agree, but these are people, okay? This is a robot. The robot has a choice here. And, you know, it's kind of sad, you know, she said that she acts as if, you know, she has a choice. Because she does not have a choice. She's an AI, but I don't know, it's funny. Congratulations, you have solved philosophy. Let's go, we solved philosophy. All it took was like 2 hours of programming. That's it. Kill count of 36. Nice. Okay, that's not that bad. Like 36, that's a decent kill count, honestly. Like, I don't know how many what is the maximum kill? Oh, I should do one where I, you know, get the maximal kill count. Okay, that's maybe an idea for the next video. But anyways, that's not important. We solved philosophy, and that's what's important. Thank you for watching this video. I'm way too lazy to do an outro later, so we're just going to end it here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all later. Peace!
Winking face.